Finally, today's the day. We're gonna go in Tractor Supply here and see what they got for some chicks. Feeders. Straight one? Yeah. Oh, you want to do that first so that you don't stress the chicks out. Pretty well set up.
I have to be a nerd and get videos. Okay, so we got 10 sapphire gems. We were gonna just get some Easter eggers, but they didn't have any, but worked out because we wanted sapphire gems or another ones. Got this nice safe heater for them. Don't have to worry about anything catching on fire, and we can use it in the winter to keep them warm. Yeah, just getting them set up, and we're trying to debate if we want to put the coop over here or over by the shop. Yeah, just getting them set up. Here we go.
Sweet and salty. Why are your ears pulled as that, Younger? Ow!
Oh, hey. Goodness.
Oh, legs cut up more than a little too much. Christy. That shit's a good shit, isn't it? Fuck. You little fuckers. I'm just like throw it in their face. Like catch. Here, catch.
She's got some bug bites on her butt cheek.
You like this? Here, Biggie. All three of you two are pigs.
3 of you two?
3.
All 3 of you two.
Ah, don't bite me, fucker. Oh, gotta get a drink of water after that one.
God. You guys are supposed to be on a diet. Chunky donkeys. People are gonna get mad at us.
Why?
Because they're all fat. Look like a real farmer.
Sure you are.
Your shirt tucked into your shorts.
Ah.
What is that?
What is that, Forrest? What is it? No, get your paw down.
No.
Paw down. Paw down. Get down.